Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in and welcome to the Kedron factory. Today we're going to have a walk through Wayne and Laura's 20'6" XC'5. So at the rear has the full ensuite, and looking towards the front of the van has the Island Queen bed, the cafe dinette, and a really nice large open kitchen space. So we'll just have a bit of a walk down and we'll have a run through the van here before Wayne and Laura head off for their test tow. Again, thank you to all our YouTube family. The amount of support and the comments and likes and shares is amazing, and on behalf of all of the family here, the whole business and Kedron team, all our suppliers, as we say, near 60-year family business, and the amount of new subscribers, it is fantastic and we sincerely appreciate it. So once again, thanks to everyone here in Australia, our great friends in America, Canada, Russia, Europe, all around the world. Thank you ever so much for all the support. And as we say, see the growth of subscribers to keep up to date and see the new vans with the different layouts and tow vehicles and colours and options. It is wonderful to see that support. So once again, thank you very much. Inside the van here is the open style with that really nice earthy tone to the colour scheme in this one here. So Wayne and Laura have done a fantastic job, as everyone do, to suit their own tastes, plus their own style of travel for the size of the vans, but also the colours and options. It is always fantastic to see everyone's personal choices. This one here has a huge amount of storage space underneath that kitchen area. That really nice black glass Kedron sink there with the stainless steel bowl. All complements him beautiful with that 4-burner griller just off to the right hand side. Underneath here is the metal sided roller drawers, that heat and humidity resistant edge taping on the drawer fronts. Underneath the overhead cupboards above the kitchen area is plenty of LED lighting, 240 volt outlets there, additional ventilation up underneath that microwave, a range hood in a slim line, more power points underneath. Above this here is the stainless steel bracketed microwave, and then the electronics heartland to the right hand side. So with these here, you have dual controls for your slimline aircon on the roof up here, so you can control that with this system here, or you've also got a remote control. This also controls the instantaneous gas hot water system on the outside of the van as well. Below this are some press button resets, so you only ever have to press these if a circuit pops. So instead of replacing a blade fuse, you can simply press button to reset the circuit. To the right hand side of this is the controls for the combination of the 60 amp charger and 1600 watt inverter. So if you want to do a load of washing or have access to mains power from the 400 amp lithium power pack in this van, this at the touch of a button will convert that 12 volt power from the lithium power pack into your mains power to do so. So you don't have to start a generator. You may be camped up near someone, or you're in a national park and you can't start a generator. You can have access to mains power here. You may even want to charge your laptop or camera batteries. Above this is the readouts for the state of charge for that 400 amp lithium power pack. You've also got your time remaining, your voltage, your solar and vehicle DC to DC inputs, water level indicators for your drinking and shower water tanks, as well as your grey water tank indicator. Your electrical cabinet temperature is showcasing the temp of that heartland of electronics outside the van. That also has the thermostat controlled fan to draw the warm charging air out of that cabinet also. Above this is the Kenwood head unit. So this has CD, it has Bluetooth, as well as interlinks in with your TV, DVD to have a surround sound for your movies also. Main shut-off switches up here, and I'm also going to wrap back around to the left-hand side cupboard and show it also has the cell PHY. So this basically takes a low mobile phone signal from outside with a flip-up antenna, boosts it through there, and then re-emits it inside the van through that to give you a stronger mobile phone signal to stay in touch with family and friends. Some welcome bubbles and chocolates there to celebrate the new van. I'll swivel around and showcase this has the Island Queen bed here. So that lifts up for additional storage underneath. So it's got the slatted bed base, also got the storage area here, linen recess, and then pull-out drawers underneath also. Either side of the bed, this one has the recess there with the USB and mains power outlets and a pocket to be able to put your valuables. A window at the front there to be able to have that lift up awning up and see out nice and easy. And just coming around to this side here has the robe hanging space there as well. Above the bed on this one here is the European style and the Fiamma 3-speed or the multiple speed fan that can draw the air in or pull the air out. It also has a thermostat control. 12-volt fans either side of the bed. These are a 3-speed as well as a timer also, so you can have them on, say, a sleep timer as well. Dual slimline windows gives the ability of being able to have it fully closed off as it is, or you might be at a beautiful spot there and want to have your maximum amount of visibility or vision out and ventilation. You can have them both down. Or if you're at a caravan park or somewhere populated with people walking past, you can have that top one up and the bottom one down. Additional storage there between the bed and the cafe dinette. A nice piece of bench space there, also handy. The cafe style dinette with the bifold table also has the lift up leg extensions down here. So you can easily lift them up to kick your feet out. You can see the sectional tile floor. So each of these floor tiles are laid separately and are in a commercial grade. So really nice and hard wearing on those. Looking towards the rear of the van, you can also see the full height in the mirrored ensuite entrance door. It really gives a nice open effect also, and a large amount of storage above. So you've got your marine grade catches, full height stainless steel piano hinge. Underneath there, additional LED lighting and another 12-volt fan there above the dinette. The bifold table is very easy to operate. You can simply do that and fold that out for your maximum amount of bench space and easily fold back for your maximum amount of room. In between the fridge and the cafe dinette is a pantry. So this has plenty of pull-out drawer space underneath, and then also has a twin door for pantry space above them. 2-door compressor fridge freezer. So this is all drawn off that 400 amp lithium power pack, so plenty of power and storage. Also has 4 180 watt solar panels up top that feed plenty of power into that. Entering into the ensuite, you can see a huge amount of storage space there underneath the bench. A really nice oval ceramic bowl sink, flick mixer tap, plenty of mirror space there also. Wall mounted washing machine, which is all strengthened with a noggin in between that interlocked aluminium frame. We'll step inside here. Now I'm just going to step back into the shower and open that door also to get back and showcase. This one has a little bit different in the toilet system. It's a compost toilet. So we usually use a chemical or a cassette toilet. So this one here is in that compost, as we say. So it basically separates the waste in the toilet system. Inside the shower here is the aluminium dye bond in the walls. So the composite panel, shower head of course, shampoo and soap dispenser, and above that is plenty of fan and more additional LED lighting. I'll just swivel down and showcase the slip and crack resistant floor in these. Really nice runoff with those, all made in-house, welded and sent to the local powder coaters. I'll swivel this around, showcase a little bit more of an overlook of the van, and we will quickly pop out and then let Wayne and Laura head off for their travels after their test tow. So I'll just quickly give a run through on the van and we'll let them get on their way. Padded cover over the power jack there. Twin 9 kilos are housed in that alloy plaid powder coated box. Twin jerrys either side on this one here. A-frame tap moved up nice and easy. Diesel heater is inside that CAD design box. Nice and accessible, lockable diesel filler on that, and also has the scrub pack or those alloy plates with the genuine rhino coating. Pull-out box here with the hose and lead kit, also with that roving pump kit there to be able to fill those shower tanks when you have the access to clean water. Caravan jack and part of the lead kit there also. LED keyless drop table there. Just popping down underneath, so the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax laced around the Kedron load rated alloys here. Pop underneath quickly and showcase the KRS protection plates there, which are all formed in part of that hot dip galvanised chassis. So again, the utmost amount of peace of mind for internal and external protection there on those chassis for the Kedron owners. Underneath here, you can see tucked up just the Firestone Air Bags on that. So the ability to be able to lift and lower for your raised height for towing, and then also the ability to store at its lowest height as well. Disc brakes there are on the outside of the Kedron, design registered and certified, so lab tested. KRS suspension, so with the unique ability to replace the stub if in the event you need to. The amount of strength in those and the certified testing to showcase is wonderful testament to the reliability of the Kedron KRS suspension for the Kedron owners. Pole carrier on the rear. This, as we say, has had that second spare put on. The outside shower recess is on the rear in between those spares. Instant gas hot water system here on the outside. Underneath that is the grey water tank outlet. So if you are camped up in an environmentally sensitive area, a national park, you can shut off and hold your shower and your washing up water until you get to a spot where it's safe to release it. External recess here for the electronics, so really nice and well laid out. Again, that's that inverter and charger combi unit on the right hand side. It's got the breakaway system, the DC to DC charger, the solar regulator. Around this side here, so this has those dust prevention buttons. Some of the stainless steel hood, so when you're on a dusty road, you press button those shut. When you do, the thermostat controlled fan up here will kick on when the charging temperature inside this box gets a bit hot. So this is all laser cut out, but you've also got a switch on the right. So up is on auto, middle is off, and down is on manual. Below this here also your storage switches. So when you're in storage, you can easily switch and isolate the lithium battery. Air outlet here, so you've got an air outlet in the TV recess as well as one here to be able to pump your tyres up with the Tare inflation kit that is supplied with the van. Underneath this is the level paddles for the airbag, so you can quite easily, at pressing both of these down, lower the height of the van itself, obviously switch the other way and lift it up, and then also you can level these off if you're on an unlevel campsite. The pump there for the airbag kit is inside, swiveling back out to the van. This has the generator provision in this side of the box. So this will fit and house the popular Honda 2.2 or the Yamaha 2.2, and will also fit the Yamaha 2.4. Up top here, Wayne and Laura have fitted off their push bikes there, so they're getting close and set for their travels. I won't hold them up any longer. I promised them I'd do a quick walkthrough, and they give me 8 minutes and I've been 15. So I'll wrap it up now and let Wayne and Laura jump in, head off for their test tow and get set for their travels around this beautiful country of ours. Thanks again everyone for tuning in. We hope you enjoy the walkthroughs. If you've got a comment, by all means, leave it in the comment box for us. For those leaving a thumbs up, we really appreciate it. To Wayne and Laura, thank you for choosing Kedron on behalf of the whole Kedron team here and the Gall family. We sincerely appreciate the support and hope you enjoy many safe and enjoyable travels around this beautiful country of ours. We may catch up with you both on the track someday. If not, we may catch up with everyone on the next walkthrough. Thanks again everyone, all the very best. Stay safe and bye for now.